We might come across a scenario where we don't know, or maybe we forget the password of our main Excel file. So in this video I will walk you through how to retrieve the password in Excel. So let's get started with the video. As you can see, I have some raw data here which contains some sensitive information, and that is stored in one of the file Excel does test. And if I want to edit this file, so now I have an option, right? So what will happen is, if I add this here, the protection, so for that I will right click here and the protect this sheet. So for the time being I will just add the password as 1234 re-enter the password again. And then now if I want to edit this file, so there is no way to edit this file, right? So suppose if I forget the password, so there is no way to retrieve or edit this file. But I will tell you like how to edit this particular file. For that, first thing is, what we have to do is we have to save this file and close this file, and you can save this file in any of the folder. And then we need here the file extension type. For that, what we have to do is we have to click on the view option, and then here we have to click on options, and here again we have to select the change folder and search options. Then click on view again, and if we scroll down here, you can see there is an option hide extension for known file types. We have to uncheck this one and click on OK. Now you can see for our file we are getting the extension type, which is .xlsx, right? And then double click on this one, or you can rename also. So we have to change this to zip, which is zip folder, and click on yes, right? And once it is done, so right click on this one and click on extract here. We have to extract all the files, right? And then once it is done, you can see there is a different folders are coming, right? But we have to select this particular folder, which is XL. Double click on this one, and again we are getting a different folder. We have to select the worksheets, and here we have to select the sheet 1 because we have only one sheet. So right click on this one and click on open with notepad. So just maximize it, and here we have to remove one of the line, so which is like a protection. For that we have to find out, we have to press Ctrl F PROT and then click on find next, and you can see it's coming here, right? Then what we have to do is we have to remove this particular data till from the bracket start to bracket close. So the bracket is closing here somewhere, right? So we have to remove this data and then save this particular file. Ctrl S and then close the window again, and then go to the file main folder where we extract all the files. And once it is done, select all these files, and once it is done, right click on this one and send to the compressed zip folder. Now you can see all these files are extracted to the or sent to the zip folder. Now we don't need the zip folder. Again double click on this one and then remove this zip to XLSX, which is our Excel format, and then click on yes again. Now you can see that particular zip folder moved to the Excel file format. Then double click on this one and let the file get open. So once it is open, now I can make the changes to the file, right? So this is how you can edit any of the protected workbook in the Excel. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel Doors. Thank you so much for watching.